We're back with coverage of the Battle of the Rigid Frame Buildings, and we've made it to the final round. Tonight, it's all about installation as Legacy Fabric Buildings and Metal Buildings duke it out. Right now, Legacy's got the upper hand, leading 3-0, but let's see how the two buildings match up when it comes to the speed of installation. On one side, Legacy Fabric Buildings have an efficient roof panel system, slashing installation times to a third of what Metal Buildings can manage. That means quicker setup and a quicker return on investment. It's all about the need for speed. Conversely, Metal Buildings are clad with steel panels and attached with screws. Sure, they're sturdy, but when it comes to installation, they're playing catch-up. Steel panels and screws may be tough, but they're no match for Legacy's quickness in the installation arena. It's a clean sweep. Legacy dominates the ring, clinching victory in every matchup. From cladding clashes to maintenance mayhem, and now the lightning-fast installation, Legacy has cemented its supremacy in the Battle of the Rigid Frame Buildings. Metal Buildings, take note, Legacy's in a league of its own. Thanks for tuning in to the Battle of the Rigid Frame Buildings. Until next time, keep your eyes on the construction arena.